Hey, Peter here, and welcome back to Everyday English, where we learn real English through real stories and real-life emotions. You know, I gotta tell you something kind of funny. When I first heard about this thing called shadowing, I was like, wait, what? You want me to repeat someone else while talking to myself in my room? That sounds weird, right? But let me tell you. Once I got past that awkward feeling, it changed everything for my English. And today, I'm here to help you get comfortable with it too. But hey, before we jump in, if you're enjoying these episodes and learning something new, consider subscribing to the channel Everyday English and give this episode a like. Only if it adds value to your life, though, no pressure. All right, now get ready for a powerful little story that teaches English and warms your heart at the same time. And yep, we're gonna do shadowing together. Let's dive in. Today's story is about Rachel. A gray, rainy day, a broken umbrella, and one small, surprising act of kindness that made everything feel different. It was a rainy Monday morning. Rachel woke up to the soft tap of raindrops on her window. She sighed. Ugh. Monday, she whispered. She dragged herself out of bed, made a quick cup of tea, and looked outside. People were walking to work, umbrellas open, rushing through the wet streets. Rachel grabbed hers and oh no, it was broken. Bent. The handle was loose, just perfect. She walked to the bus stop, rain soaking her coat and shoes. Her hair curled up in the damp air. She felt cold, alone, quiet. But then, she saw something. Leaning against the wall at the bus stop was a bright pink umbrella. New, unused, and there was a note.
Struggling with awkward English conversations? I've been there. The English Conversation Guide saved my life. Real-life dialogues and continuous learning, perfect for pros. Just $5.99 to boost your English skills instantly. Don't wait, grab yours now.
It's helped thousands of people improve their English with over 100 everyday dialogues in real-life situations. The link's in the description. Check it out. Now, let's go over some expressions from the story. Repeat after me. And let's make your English sound smooth and natural. Step out to leave or exit a place. I stepped out of the room to answer a phone call. Repeat. I stepped out of the room to answer a phone call. Buzz, that soft vibration sound your phone makes. My phone buzzed in my bag during class. Say it with me. My phone buzzed in my bag during class. Mumble, speaking softly or unclearly. I mumbled a quiet sorry. Repeat. I mumbled a quiet sorry. Zip it up. Close something with the zipper. I zipped up my backpack before going outside. Say it with me. I zipped up my backpack before going outside. Awkward, when something feels weird or embarrassing. Waiting in silence felt awkward. Repeat after me. Waiting in silence felt awkward. End up to find yourself in a situation by accident. I ended up in the men's room by mistake. Try it. I ended up in the men's room by mistake. Take a deep breath to calm yourself. She took a deep breath before entering the room. Let's go. She took a deep breath before entering the room. Slid down. To move down smoothly. The ice cream slid down the side of the cone. Say it. The ice cream slid down the side of the cone. Messy day. A day where everything feels chaotic. It was a messy day. Repeat. It was a messy day. High five, a celebration. She got an A on her test. High five. Say it proudly. She got an A on her test. High five. Flew over your head when something was too hard to understand. The joke flew over my head. Repeat. The joke flew over my head. Awesome. You did amazing. So here's your challenge. Take what you learned today, the phrases, the rhythm, the emotion, and practice shadowing this story again. Speak out loud, sound natural, feel the English, and hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for Everyday English, give the video a like if it helped, and don't forget, the English Conversation Guide is waiting for you in the description. Over 100 dialogues, real situations, real progress. I'm Peter, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay kind, stay curious, and keep growing your English. One word, one sentence, one beautiful story at a time.